Pull up your jug and slowly draw through the center to create the point of the heart. Tilt your cup and pour the milk from a higher height to break up the crema.
Make sure you keep the milk in a nice circular vortex-like motion. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey.
The general rule with particle size is finer for espresso and coarser for drip filter.
Lighter roast will retain more of the natural flavors of the bean, whilst darker roast will better represent more boldness and intensity.
Understanding the entire coffee making process is what third wave specialty coffee is all about, so that you can make great tasting coffee at home. Join us on the Breville Coffee Journey.